Well, howdy folks, here we are again. In case you hadn't noticed, I've done the fairing. It is now fully installed with a little more work to do on this section here. I just need to cut a better surface for the key, but I was in a bit of a hurry, had to get it ready to teach. Anyway, I will be redoing that in addition to editing all the video and posting it, in case anyone's interested or has questions on how to do an installation like this. I've done many race bike conversions, installed many fiberglass fairings. I've made hundreds of fiberglass fairings myself. Did a lot of that in college because I was studying aircraft repair for advanced composites. Anyway, let's see. What we're going to take a look at today is this little thing, because it caused me a little confusion. And I figured if I was wondering about it, there were probably others who were also. Now this is a quick release fuel filler cap for the Panigale V4, made by Spider. Got it from the very helpful guys at HSBK. So the issue that caused me some consternation was undo the filler cap, undo the 4 screws, remove the old filler cap. And then I was thinking, well, how does this part fit on there? Because the 4 holes down the bottom don't match up to the 5 holes up the top. And then it was pointed out to me that you've also got to undo this section here. So I will do that. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll be right back and we'll finish the installation. Won't take long. Okay. There. Done. That was easy. Okay, next up we'll be doing the ignition button to replace the key. So then I won't have to worry about accidentally leaving the key behind when I get to the track. Thanks for watching.